Hi, my last final challenge is to create infrastructure as code template. It could be either cloudformation or terraform. And I actually realized it's going to be pretty tedious writing out every single piece or remembering what kind of resource I store where. And it's pretty easy to forget the little details like IAM policies, attached roles, and the order of things that the resources should be created. So I actually started Googling and I found this website, this amazing service. It's called former2.com. It's basically a tool that allows you to scan your existing AWS account and actually just select the resources like here, right? I'm selecting resources. So I already gave it the credentials. If you don't want to give credentials, you can deploy it locally. The entire code for this server is on GitHub. So if you don't want to give your credentials, you can deploy it locally on your own machine. So I already gave it my credentials like so. I created a special user, former2 IaC generator. I gave it programmatic access, which is these two pieces of information, secret access key and access key ID. So you give it to this website. This is the first time I'm using it. So basically, you choose the things that you want to be added, like add selected, and it's pretty easy. Again, it's pretty easy to forget because there are so many other things like policies, target groups. Like you have to describe all of this, including the roles, the policies, who is attached to what, volumes, volume attachments. Actually, yeah, I just forgot to add the volume ID. Yeah, I'm gonna add this one. What else is it? Oh yeah, network interfaces. Damn, I forgot those. So yeah, I have about 48 resources, and well, let's see how it's going to work. I don't use any spot, I don't use any fleet, so these should be empty because I don't have any resources created there. Launch templates, no, I'm not using this one. Security groups, yeah, security groups, auto scaling policies. I think I forgot to look into my networking accountability. I forgot to look into my VPC. VPC is really huge. VPC has so many things. So I only added this thing, but VPC cider blocks. Yes, I forgot to add this one. Subnets. Damn, I forgot. I only have one subnet, and I only have one security group. Egress. No, I don't have any of those. Customer virtual private. No, elastic IPs. Yes. Damn, I forgot the elastic IPs. Elastic IP associations, VPN connections. No, none of those. Routes. Yes. Damn, I forgot. I just, the first thing I saw in VPC, I just added everything under the VPC tab. I added the VPC itself, but it has so many other things like route tables. Yeah, so network ACLs, repeating connections, transit, VPC endpoints. No, I don't have any of those as far as I remember. So yeah, you basically go through all of these tabs, make sure you don't forget anything. And yeah, I think I added everything in my API gateway, CloudFront. I did add this one. Well, right. I think there is still a security group missing that I didn't actually find anywhere. But nonetheless, I'm just going to click on generate and see how far it goes. So yeah, my default output format is CloudFormation. And this is, holy shit, yeah, I do have a pretty big infrastructure, but I did know that it would be so long. Yeah, so it does generate all of those things. It describes them properly. Of course, I haven't really deployed it yet. I have to test it out. But I think this tool has done a great deal of work. Actually, like this is heavy lifting done by one sort of scanner. I call it a scanner, CloudFormation infrastructure as code scanner. So this scanner has done a great deal of work for me. Now I have to test it, make sure it deploys and works properly. But let's say I want to use Terraform. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So now you can copy it, you can paste it somewhere, you can work with it, but it has pretty much generated most of the infrastructure. I'm pretty sure this code will not work right away from the box, the way it is generated. So I have to test and look into these things, but I just wanted to show you that such a tool exists. Infrastructure as code scanner that scans your existing resources, and you specify the resources that you want. It puts them all together into one file. So such thing exists, and I'm really happy that it does. Actually, it even uses things like Pulumi and Troposphere, the tools that I don't know yet. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that such tool does exist.